I learned the cooking from this lady. Showed me the secret of all the cooking. I used to make the kitchen messy.
Some of Tucson, Arizona's best food comes from our food trucks. And you can get just about any type of food from food trucks here, from tacos to pizza to sushi, and even homemade shawarma and falafel. My family recently found an amazing place that has opened up our palates to delicious spices and unique flavors of authentic Lebanese Mediterranean food. Voted #1 best Mediterranean food in Tucson by This Is Tucson, Homemade Mediterranean is one of the top food trucks that you just have to try in Tucson. Owned and operated by Hiba and Layla, a daughter-mother team, Homemade Mediterranean is bringing the delicious flavors of Beirut to Tucson, Arizona. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about our favorite Mediterranean food truck in Tucson. Comment below with your favorite Mediterranean dish and hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. When you're ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, all my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos out about Tucson and real estate on the channel, so explore the rest after this one. There are links to Homemade Mediterranean's Instagram and Facebook pages in the description below this video, so follow them to find those guys here in Tucson or even book them for your own event. I definitely recommend you try the falafel with the shawarma and grape leaves. The flavors and spices are so vibrant, and I'm sure once you try this place, you will be coming back for more. We were fortunate enough to get a behind-the-scenes tour and education on the authentic cuisine from the eastern shores of the Mediterranean. I'll let the experts Hiba and Layla show and tell about some of the most flavorful and delicious food we have tried here in Tucson.
Hi, my name is Hiba Saab. This is my lovely mom, Layla Saab. We are the owners of Homemade Mediterranean. I grew up and born in the shores of the Mediterranean in Beirut, Lebanon. We want to introduce you to our food. We make it from scratch, 100% from scratch. People they try Mediterranean from Egypt, Mediterranean from Iraq, Mediterranean from Turkey. So different. But I don't know, this is my opinion, but for authentic, I say Syrian and Lebanese. It's my favorite and it's the best food. I never change anything. You know, a lot of people add this, add that, you know, it's not. The way it is, the way we learn it back home, 20, 30 years old, you know, we still make the same. It's 80% organic. Our food is made from a lot of herbs, a lot of fresh cut vegetables like tomato, onions, fresh squeezed lemon, olive oil, parsley. All the dishes are popular. So mostly is like a steak shawarma, chicken shawarma. So that's called the chicken shawarma. All our meat and chicken, we marinated overnight. The chicken and the steak shawarma probably have more than 25 spices and like seasoning in it, like exotic spices we put in it. It's very tender. You order it, we make it. We don't have any pre-made food. We cook it right away. The right way to do chicken shawarma, only chicken, French fries, pickle, and garlic sauce. No other stuff in it. That's an authentic chicken shawarma, the Lebanese chicken shawarma. Steak shawarma. It's mixed with lamb, some pickles, some onion, tomato, parsley. The steak shawarma, it has to be saucy. It's mixed with lamb. Fat from the lamb, so it has to be saucy and a lot of sauce in it, a lot of fat. Put some tahini sauce in it. Like here, see?
And especially falafel.
My mom makes the best falafel. It's a secret, you know. She got it from her grandma and she taught it for me. This is a falafel. As we said, it's a chickpeas after we grind it. That's after we grind it, it's become like this. And we put our secret spices in it. Then you put onion, garlic, and some parsley in it. You dip it in sesame and you just deep fry it. Spicy tahini, regular tahini, and some parsley. And you serve it with pita or you put vegetable around it. So the plate comes with 5 pieces, hummus, or baba ganoush, vegetable, which is tomato, onion, pickles, parsley, and a big piece of pita bread and 5-piece falafel. We have a lot of vegan food, vegan and vegetarian, dairy-free and gluten-free. Oh, this is the stuffed grape leaf with rice, vegetable, some olive oil on top, and garlic, fresh cut garlic, squeeze of lemon juice, and some mint. Some people they think vegan is not good, but it is really good. It has a lot of flavors in it, and garlic is our main ingredient. We use a lot of garlic. Voted #1 in the article Where to Eat in Tucson. They did a voting, and a lot of customers that comes over here and they vote for us for the best Mediterranean food in Tucson. Thank you guys very much. Come try our food, support our small business. It's a healthy food, delicious food. What else can you ask for? So please stop by, visit us. You won't be disappointed.
I hope you've learned a little bit about homemade Mediterranean, which has quickly become one of my family's favorite food trucks here in the city. The flavors are so strong and fresh, this keeps us coming back for more every time. Comment below with your favorite Mediterranean food item, and please explore the other hundreds of videos we have on this channel about things to do and see and know about my hometown of Tucson, Arizona. And yes, we have many other food videos. When you buy or sell a home here in Tucson, I'd love to help you out. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel, and consider showing the channel some love by liking and subscribing on your way out the door. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.